getting ready to go to Blizzard Beach. So
My fingerprint now.
okay.
Finger until turns green.
Fingers, can we see the green light?
All right.
I just made plans with a friend.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, so because we booked with a resort, we get complimentary towels. So you guys keep your card, okay? This is important. Umbrielle, we have to hold your card, honey. Ooh, guess look, guys, I'm Tiana. Let me see who you are. Ooh, you're Moana.
I wanted that one.
Ooh, let me see yours. Oh boy, you're Tinkerbell. Yay!
So I know what the cards are for now.
Yeah, we didn't know.
I got it first.
Wow. Yeah, you did. You got it first. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. I can come back and take a picture there.
Tomorrow you're going to get Moana.
All right, let's give them your things so we can get some towels for everybody. Hi. Come on in. Come on, Brielle. Thank you. Tattoo time. I ordered tattoos. What's the flight?
Daddy.
Which one did you pick, Brianna? Brian, you need to take all the cards and keep it safe.
They're not giving me the cards.
Who has a zipper? Alright, go ahead. There's a lot of white here. Ooh.
Hello, would you like a water tattoo?
Say thank you. Yeah.
Which one would you like? I have this one. You want that one or you want this one? You want that one? I got you. Where would you like it? Right.
Then Bree wanted to have some fun with the sprinkler. Come on, go. You too scared. Okay. Ooh, do you guys see that? Oh my goodness. Do you guys want to go in that one? Let's go. Let's do it. Oh, who wants to race tic-tac-toe? Ooh, come, Brielle. Put one inside quickly. Go ahead. Right here. Brielle. Go ahead, Brielle. Woo. Go, Brielle. Pick up one. Go, Brielle. Go. Woo. Good job. All right, that's good enough now. You tried it out. Yay.
Good job, Brielle.
All right, that's it.
Drinking or smoking on board. Bienvenidos. Para